Can I talk?
No. Alright, say this is Isabella and she's snoring.
This is Isabella snoring. It's kind of loud too.
Come closer.
She's sleeping on Mom. It's cool, kind of. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Snoring loud, huh?
She's really loud, isn't she?
Go turn the TV down.
Do you think she might be snoring when she grows up? Whoa.
Okay, now listen. It's been a long day. She's very tired.
Yep, a long day, very tired.
Long day.
She's been playing all day with us, playing cards. Just stop.
She's been playing
For what?
everything that you could think.
Well, maybe not everything.
Okay. Say I love you. Say we love you, Isabella. Hopefully.
We love you, Isabella. Hopefully you sleep for like 3 more hours.
Oh, more than that.
Okay, press the red button.